Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. We are now, madam, going to continue our lesson reflection of light. What is our lesson? Reflection of light. What? Reflection of light. So we have gone through the topic. Just we started the lesson. What do you mean by reflection? I gave you little bit idea. Reflection means what? When a light is falling, for example, this phenomenon, first let me say, throw a ball onto the wall. Throw a ball onto the wall. What is that? It is coming back into the same medium. Is it or not? Which, from where? I am throwing from here. Onto the wall. What is it happening? Coming towards me itself. This side only. That is what? A reflection. Light which we are incidenting, which we are focusing. If the light is focused, whatever we focus, if it is coming into the same medium, we will say it as a reflection. The phenomena we will say it as a reflection. Reflection. See these reflections where we are taking, we are finding. I mean, in which cases it is possible? If you see about a mirror, where this phenomena will take place, reflection, in case of mirror. Where? In case of mirror, you are finding this reflection. What? Reflection in case of mirrors you are finding. And also you know, for example, you take a steel plate. What else? I am saying you to take a steel plate. You focus it. Bring a plate, a steel plate into the sunlight. Focus a light onto that. Focus a light onto that. So what is that happening? Reflection. The light is coming, light is falling on that and it is getting reflected. It is falling. It is spreading its light in different direction. What phenomena are taking place there? Reflection phenomena. What is that phenomena taking place? Reflection. And see, here we came to know transparent surfaces, translucent surfaces. We have learned about transparent. We learned about transparent. We learned about translucent. Transparent and translucent. What? Transparent and translucent. Transparent and translucent. So here, translucent there. Transparent, light passing completely. Light passing partially. Light is sent completely. Here, partially. See, for example, you take oil paper. Focus a light on the oil paper. Observe that image. Focus a light on that any transparent, clear, transparent. So here this all we discussed. Here we are going to learn about ray of light. How light reflects after striking an object. We will see here. Here, take a mirror strip. They are asking ray of light. For that, ray of light purpose. Here you take a slit of mirror. Slit of mirror. Mirror slit. Strict. Chinna. Even a mirror is chinna mirror. You cover totally this with black paper. What we took actually here? We took here mirror. What we took? We took a mirror. We covered totally with black paper. Covered totally with black paper. With the help of any scissor or the blade, you make a small slit to this paper, not onto the mirror. What we did? Think this is a, what is this thing? This is a mirror. Onto that, what we did? We covered it totally with the black paper. And with the help of a blade or scissor, you make a small slit. Chinna line up. Chinna. You cut it. Here. We are making a small slit, hole. Following. Now, bring this slit. What we do? Total this paper, whatever you are taking, it should be thicker. It should not be thin, it should be thicker. Now, do that way. Now you take this mirror, which we covered totally with the black paper, and in middle we are having a small slit. You take this mirror into the sunlight. Where we took here we have taken we took this mirror into the sunlight and adjust in such a way that sunlight should fall on this. Adjust in such a way that sunlight should fall on this mirror. Means the light should fall on this slit. What you are able to see what you did. We removed in this part black paper. That means only what is that we are finding here mirror. Whatever light is falling on that, the ray is coming back. The ray. See here. The ray of light. See only single ray of light. Only small slit we made. Now straight. From that, the ray from sun is falling on that and coming out. What is this ray here? Single light, single sun light we are making it to fall. Single ray of light, whatever coming, see that only one ray is falling on this slit and coming out. So now the ray which is coming, see single ray, only small hole we made, no? Only one light ray is coming, ray of light. చిన్న రేనే బయటకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. చిన్న రే బయటకు వస్తుంది. What is that? Ray of light. We'll say it as a ray of light. Light coming from such a slit or any other small hole looks like a ray of light. Is it or not? ఇక్కడ నుండి వచ్చేది మనకి ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సింగిల్ లైన్ కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా. What will you say that as a ray of light? What will you say it as a ray of light? And see, observe this amma. Light, sunlight falling on mirror, coming back. Sunlight falling on this and coming back. What phenomena this one? Reflection. Reflection. Sun rays. Not only sun rays. Torch light, tube light, any source of light. Light. If it falls on the mirror, it is throwing back. It is sending back that phenomena. What is that called? Reflection. What will you say as a reflection? What will you say as a reflection? When the light is coming back into the same medium, we will say it as a reflection. What phenomena? Reflection phenomena. Reflection phenomena. Here you can find out that we came to know about the ray reflection and also ray of light. Now see whatever light we are, see with the help of sun, here we use sunlight, no? You take any sun candle or the torch light, whatever ray is falling on this mirror, whatever ray is falling on the mirror. See, for example, this is the mirror. You take our mirror. What is this mirror? You take and see, for the mirror you have to observe that back side it is polished. Mirror ki back side is polished due to that reflection taking place. In mirror, what is that happening? In mirror, see, for mirror what is there? Mirror came the polished surface. For mirror, what will have a polished surface. So when you are incidentting a ray, when you are making a ray to fall on the mirror, when you are making a ray to fall on the mirror, what is that happening? Coming back to the same medium. When we are focusing a ray, here what is this ray? We are incidenting onto the mirror. After striking this mirror, coming back into the same medium. So this ray, we will say that the incident ray, which one we are focusing or which one we are incidenting, we will say that the incident ray. Incident ray, we will say that as the incident ray. This is called as a reflected ray. What ray? Reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray, which is the light which we are focusing on the mirror, that is the incident. If you take, this is important, light beam ray incident ray. And many rays if you take, we will say beam. more than one ray, more than one ray, more than one ray, we will say it as a beam of rays. Beam of rays. Beam of rays. Single one, only ray. If you are taking many, we will have to take a beam of rays. Which the light which is falling, that is called as incident ray. After striking, it is coming back to the same medium. Reflected ray, where you are incidenting, light padutundo, that point we will say as a point of incidence. What point of incident? At what point we are focusing, that point we will say as a point of incidence. What point of incidence? And at this point, if you draw a straight line, exact the point of incidence there. Straight line draw this. Exactly, if you draw a straight line at this point, at the point of incidence, this ray, we will say, this line we will say as the normal. Normal. Actually, mass, according to the mass, it is a perpendicular. Mass prakaram line name perpendicular. But in our physics, in our science, we will say as a normal ray. Normal is nothing but perpendicular. What? Normal is nothing but perpendicular. The ray which is falling on the mirror, that is called as the incident ray. What was said as a incident ray? The ray which is coming back into the same medium, it is called as a reflected ray. Falling ray is called as the incident ray which is falling on the mirror, that is called as the incident ray. The ray which is coming back into the same medium is called as a reflected ray. And here, what is this line? Normal line. What is that? Normal line. Say, what is this phenomena? Reflection. What is that phenomena? Reflection. So now, important. Observe this. Observe this. Here we have seen this activity. No? Now we are going to see what I am going to say. A ray of light we came to know. In transparent and translucent we came to know. Okay, here for forming an angle form kavalante. Any lines kavali? We need only 2 lines. We need for angle formation how many? 2 lines. How many? 2 lines. So here see, this is one line. This is another line. This is an angle. Onatala. Idoka line, idoka line. With madhyalo unnada angle. And here also angle. Between which I am taking? Incident ray and normal. Angle between angle between incident ray and normal. We will say it as the angle of incidence. Here I am writing angle of incidence symbol this one. Angle symbol I. What is this called? Angle of incidence. What? Angle of incidence. Here this is called as the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Angle of incidence. Angle of reflection. Angle of incidence. Angle of reflection. Between which and which that one? Angle I. What is the symbol? The name and angle symbol. I for incident. Between which and which? Between I and N. I ki N ki madhyalo. With I line, incident line ki normal madhyalo unna line emanta angle of incidence. Again, this normal ray, reflected ray ki normal madhyalo unna ray enti angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. All of you came to know no? Now here we are going to learn a main important topic which you are going to have in the next classes. Laws of reflection. What? Laws of reflection. We are having 2 points. See, what is this incident ray? What is this reflected ray? What is this normal? First point, incident ray, normal, reflected ray lies in same plane. ఒకటే సైడ్ ఉన్నాయా? అన్ని ఒకటే సైడ్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా? అన్ని ఒకటే సైడ్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే, నార్మల్, రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే lies in same plane. ఒకటే సైడ్ ఉంటాయి. And this one angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. And then here suppose 30 undanukondi. What do you mean here? It should be 30. Suppose if it is 60 degrees angle. Angle I is 60 degrees. What is angle R? And automatically you have to say how much? 60. Reflection phenomena, loss of reflection. Reflection generate. Incident ray, normal, reflected ray. Incident ray, normal, reflected ray lies in the same plane. Anni okate side untayi. Excuse me. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. What? Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. These are the 2 points of loss of reflection. What? Loss of reflection, 2 points. What we have? Incident ray, normal, and reflected ray lies in the same plane. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. What is that? Those are the 2 points of loss of reflection. Those are the 2 points of loss of reflections. And see, they are going to ask you, angle of incident 40 degrees, 45. Angle R ending 45. Angle R is equal to 60 degrees. Angle I is equal to 60 degrees. One they will give and they will ask about the other. Okay. Now, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, we came to know, and you have to learn about this. Whatever we are getting incident. Here you kept, suppose you kept a candle in front of the mirror. Whatever you are finding in the mirror. Mirror lo manaku kanipichedi entamma image. Interview image. We'll say it as a image. What we have to say that as a image. Following here, all of you are understanding what I'm saying you. Incident ray, normal, reflected ray, angle of incident, angle of reflection we came to know, transparent and translucent. All of you are understanding what I'm saying. Okay? Remaining topic we are going to learn in next class. Thank you.